ColorChecker Passport Photo 2 now includes a gray card, making it an even more indispensable tool to help you capture perfect color and exposure. We've also expanded our camera calibration software for ICC compatibility with Capture One, in addition to our long-standing DNG compatibility with Lightroom and Photoshop. Not to mention that third-party software solutions like Hasselblad Focus, Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve, and 3D LUT Creator all support Passport Photo 2 as well. The addition of the 18% gray balance target gets you to proper exposures quicker. You can spot meter, whether in camera or using a handheld meter. Filmmakers use it as well to align the 18% gray with your camera's recommended IRE value for log exposures. The white balance target is created to exacting standards to be perfectly spectrally neutral. Use it to set in-camera white balance, whether capturing stills or video. Or use it in post to quickly and easily achieve a neutral white balance, eliminating the need to neutralize each image and enabling you to instantly correct for challenging lighting conditions. Be exact. Don't trust painted backgrounds or set papers that can all have a cool or warm tone to them. The classic target has been the industry standard for decades, and the colors have not changed. Its tones have been chosen so that you can see how color corrections will affect the rest of your colors before you apply them. You have pure RGB, CMYK, and colors of nature such as sky blue, skin tones, and leaf green. Combined with the latest version of camera calibration software, ColorChecker Passport Photo 2 gives you consistent and exact results from image to image and capture to capture. The creative enhancement target is truly unique. The middle two rows are warming and cooling patches. They enable you to creatively refine the color of your image by adding warmth to skin tones or boosting the colors of nature with a single click. The row of clipping patches across the bottom are for evaluating highlights and shadows. They are in 1/3 f-stop increments, except the last black patch, which is only 1/10 of a stop different from its neighbor. At the top, you will find 8 HSL spectrum patches to ensure color fidelity across all hues so you can evaluate and edit for any color shifts. Now getting proper exposures, repeatable and exact color in a simple, rugged, collapsible target has gotten even easier.